I'm Rod Henderson, the Managing Director and CEO of Ampcontrol. Ampcontrol builds electrical solutions for the resources, energy and infrastructure sectors. Ampcontrol has approximately 1,150 employees. We're spread right across Australia and up into Southeast Asia. Innovation for us is staying in front of the game. I think if we don't innovate and stand still, we go backwards. So it's very important that we continue to innovate, and particularly innovate in the energy transition space. We've developed an underground electric vehicle, which is the world's first intrinsically safe electric vehicle to go into a coal mining environment. We've also developed a number of different standalone power supplies for powering people's homes off the grid that we're rolling out extensively through Western Australia and other rural regions. We also just recently released Australia's first standalone power supply that is with hydrogen generation built into it. So we're very, very proud of our achievements. I think definitely one of the pluses of being in the Hunter is the fact we have a great engineering school here, and we can draw upon the talents that sit within the School of Engineering, Science and Environment. That's definitely a plus for us, and to have the support of the university for manufacturing and wanting to be engaged in industry as much as they do is an absolute bonus. The Hunter can be a global player in innovation as a whole. It's not only in the energy sector, it's everything we still do in the resources sector. When you look at the fantastic things that are going on at the port with the establishment of the energy precinct over there, but the lifestyle here in the Hunter is absolutely fantastic. From our lakes, vineyards to our beaches, it's just a great place to be. And that really attracts people to want to come and live in Newcastle.